Don't. You're in the wrong seat. I can drive.
First, we're going to go in regular power mode.
Regular power mode.
A little while down the trail, we'll switch it to that map switch.
Okay. Brake, key. All right. So now I want to come scout a path up and over to Lake Pleasant.
Right? I'll go all left on that.
The suspension is super compliant. About ready to jump in this guy and go for a rip. Kawasaki Teryx KRX 1000. Shock therapy's done the suspension, all dialed in. BF Goodrich tires. All right. Little harness action. It's all shiny and everything. So we're heading to those mountains right over there. Wow. Suspension is pretty dialed. Wow, that was so smooth. Oh, somebody else is ripping over there. You see the dust all over there, raising up. Arctic Cat, Wildcat. Cruising through here at 55 miles an hour. I'm really blown away at how well the suspension is set up and how these shocks are just taking all these imperfections in the roadway. It's like a Honda Talon. Crossing the wash.
Out here for like a month.
Really? Wow. So do you have to pay the government to camp out here? Is this free camping? So in Southern California you have to buy an adventure pass. It's 15 bucks a day to be anywhere out in the desert or wilderness.
For your public land?
Uh-huh. Arizona, the land of unfriendly plants.
So you probably won't notice it, but a little herky-jerky on the throttle right now through the rocks. It's kind of stuck.
Okay.
So this feature right here, the low button, it's the map. It's basically a map switch.
Okay.
So you're going to stop the vehicle, and full power. You're going to go to low, which retards the timing.
Oh wow.
Retards the throttle response, right?
Okay.
So I'm halfway down on the throttle right now.
Oh wow.
Completely eliminates the pedal swap.
Interesting. So you still have the power, you just don't have the... Huh. It's pretty cool.
Awesome, I love it.
It's a nice feature.
It took me a little while to figure it out.
Yeah.
But once you figure out what it's supposed to do, it's amazing.
That's awesome. The one animal I want to see in the wild is the Gila monster.
I think I've only seen one in my life.
Really? Wow. Down into low gear. Don't. You're in the wrong seat. I can drive.
First, we're going to go in regular power mode.
Regular power mode.
A little while down the trail, we'll switch it to that map switch.
Okay. Brake, key. All right.
Pay attention to the throttle.
Okay.
As you're trying to finesse over some of the rocks.
So now I want to come scout a path up and over to Lake Pleasant.
Right?
Got a 1974 Yamaha Trials bike to be super fun out here.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
I think that's enough. You should have that enough throttle time there to understand the difference right here.
Okay.
So try that.
There it comes. That's funny. That's exactly what that V-Strom felt like today. When it was in the sissy mode, it was pretty awesome. You could like lay into the throttle and let the clutch out, and the engine and the computer would automatically make it feel just like this.
But
As you're,
like that when you just came out.
that was super smooth.
You're not bouncing on the throttle. Perfect for this kind of stuff. Not near as twitchy in the rocks.
No, it's great.
Go all left on that.
The suspension is super compliant. I had a 65 CJ5 that had some pretty amazing suspension, but man, super rough compared to this.
Usually the javelina like to be down here in the wide.
I haven't seen one of those yet.
Nasty creatures. That would go all left.
What does your dad drive?
He's got a KRX.
So how far north do you have to go before you get into the trees?
Like pine trees?
Yeah.
Maybe 80 miles.
Well, that's not bad.
Alright, so
Fun little excursion.
we turn that baby off to regular mode. That's it. You'll feel the difference immediately.
sunset cruise. Nice. Well, that was a fun cruise on the Kawasaki Teryx KRX 1000. So much fun. Tearing through the desert, looking at the cactus and the wildlife. Not a bad way to spend a Saturday afternoon.